Hello, everyone. Thank you for introducing me. Today, I would like to talk about security in factory automation. Today, most of part is for IT and also OT with process automation. So today, now I would like to talk about the factory automation, discrete. And this is agenda of the today. First, I would like to little bit introduce who is Omron and also who is me, and the difference between IT and OT, also the PA and FA. Then changing FA, innovation at the manufacturing site in FA, and finally, I would like to introduce the challenges in FA with security. And I'm Satoshi Kojima, so this is a kanji character in Japanese, and also general manager of network product with security in Omron, and also chairman of ODBA Japan. And I can be reached in LinkedIn or email. So I would like to explain who is Omron. So Omron is a company for automation. And also the founder of Omron decided that machines, let machine do what machine can do. And also human beings needs to concentrate to innovate the society. Then we keep solving the social challenges by automation. Like first proximity sensors, also the first automated train system, and the world first, the ATM machine. And this is very famous for the consumer. We are very good at blood pressure or healthcare devices like that. And Omron is almost 85 years old company, and we have almost $8 billion sales all over the world. We started from Japan, but now we are the worldwide company with 36,000 employees. And this is some kind of ratio of the sales, and very, how can I say, you can see that almost half is industrial automation. I would like to explain this one first. Then I would like to talk about what is a factory automation. So usually, Omron talk about the factory automation. We use altitudes like this, from 1 meter to 10 meter, and from 11 meter to 100 or 1,000 meters, something like this. Factory automation is mainly focusing on 1 meter to 10 meter. This is a we call manufacturing shop floor or manufacturing site with equipment, machine, or control devices. And there is IT and OT. And in OT layer, we have process automation and factory automation. And factory automation we are concentrating is basically assembling, such as automobile, or digital appliance, or packaging for food and commodity, like this. And there is a difference between process automation and factory automation. Lots of difference and also large differences here. First, the control system. For process automation by DCS, distributed control system, or PC. And the factory automation, PLC, programmable logic controller, or IPC, industrial PC. Then the speed of the control is totally different. The process automation is around up to 1 second, but the factory automation, 1 microsecond, so totally different. And also the machine during the machine running, the process automation never stop during process. But the factory automation can be stopped easily. Even the rope to stop the manufacturing is installed in a car manufacturing line. And also operators. So process automation, as you heard today's presentation in someone, mainly in control room with several person. But in factory automation, lots of operators at the shop floor. And focusing for plant engineering during installing for process automation, but the factory automation, manufacturing engineering, or maintenance personnel is very important. So those kind of difference are there. So this is a difference. And I would like to show some actual application in factory automation, in specific in Russia. So this is what we have been doing in Russia. Alcohol serialization system. So it can be, how can I say, it can protect the product counterfeiting, especially in food industry. So extremely high speed control, and also high speed reading of the data. Like, as you can see, so hundreds of bottles or even thousands of bottles per minute filling the liquid or alcohol or some drink in the bottle with the some data matrix or PDF 417. This is putting on the label on the bottles. Then we have a serial number of basket with SSCC 18. Then this goes into some pallet with a serial number. Then shipping to the market. So this can protect the counterfeiting with high speed. Then we have this kind of product like a code reader or IPC, servo motor, or PLC with connecting to a cloud. And we have some partner in Russia. If there is some data, how can I say, changing or not securing data, this should have a problem. Then I would like to talk about the changes in a factory automation layer. Now, IoT is mandatory to improve OEE dramatically, overall equipment efficiency. So far, controller in factory layer did not connect to the cloud or internet, but now it's connecting. Then PLC connects from outside the factory. Also, then sensors, servers, or safety staff also connected. Larger risks of security since connecting from outside of the factory. So you can see this kind of pictures. Then now Omron would like to try to make an innovation at the manufacturing site with a factory automation. However, there is a security risks in factory automation. Now this is changing from possibility to reality. So this is some kind of example factory for crops, veggies, or fruits. So this factory controlled by PLC, and the recipe for this kind of veggies is on MRP, then installing into PLC. Cultivating various kind of crops, veggies, and compounding with each variety that cultivate multiple feeds or chemicals. Then one day, the crops, veggies start being withered, and found that evidence of intrusion into MRP or PLC, which the recipe was changed. Actually, this ended with an accident that simply withered. However, if pesticides is much exceeding the limit of the level, very, very serious cause or hazard, health hazard for consumers, and it makes the decline of the value of the company. This could be a currently reality. Then Omron would like to make, as I told, innovation of manufacturing site. Now, security is not a value. Security is necessary condition. We call 3 TYs. One is a productivity, next is a quality, and security. Those three are very important to make innovation at a manufacturing site. And also in security, we have 3 important elements at the manufacturing site: operators, data, and devices. Those 3 are very important. So trustworthy and reliability among these 3 are very important. This is what we have been doing and we have currently started. And toward these challenges, technology collaboration of security, especially for the factory automation, is needed, very important. Because sensors, servers, or safety stuff, this kind of things doesn't have enough resources. So small footprint technology to install these kind of things. In another word, lightweight devices is needed. And also the smooth connection between OT and IT. In other words, the best for both OT and IT. As you know, OT and IT doesn't want to or very difficult to understand each other, even the different word or different language. Then also not CIA priority, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, but not only availability, integrity, and confidentiality. So I would like to work with some of you guys to make it happen, so please work with us. And I will be here for today and next day, and another guy from Omron, he is a product manager for security. And also, thank you very much.
Thank you for your time and to hear our concept and factory automation innovation.
So we would like to discuss with you and talk. Okay, thank you very much.